quotient rule. If y is equals to f of x upon g of x, then dy by dx is g of x ddx of f of x minus f of x ddx of g of x whole thing upon g of x bracket square. This is the quotient rule. Now 9.1 question number 4 is all about quotient rule. I'll do the first one for you. I'll take a first one as an extra sum. फिर मैं बताऊंगी कैसे करते हैं. Then we'll go to 9.1. So if this is e raised to x upon log x, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? dy by dx log x ddx of e raised to x minus e raised to x ddx of log x whole thing upon log x bracket square. So it is log x e raised to x minus e raised to x upon log x bracket square. You can take e raised to x common or you can keep this as it is. Okay, this is how we solve the quotient rule. Write down this so that we can go with 9.1 question number 4. Question 4 is dependent completely on product rule. The first question is x square plus a square upon x square minus a square. Question 4, sum number 1. If y is x square plus a square upon x square minus a square. Because this is f of x upon g of x, dy by dx is x square minus a square ddx of x square plus a square minus x square plus a square ddx of x square minus a square whole thing upon x square minus a square bracket square. This is x square minus a square. X square sa derivative ka yield 2x and a square, a is constant, a square is constant minus x square plus a square. X square sa derivative ka hai par 2x and a square is constant. This will become x square minus a square bracket square. We will take 2x common. It is x square minus a square minus x square minus a square whole thing upon x square minus a square bracket square. X square cancel. We can write it as 2x minus x square cancel minus a square will become minus 2a square. So 2x and here it will become minus 2a square whole thing upon x square minus a square bracket square. So this is your answer. Minus 4x a square upon x square minus a square bracket square. बाकी काहीच करायचं नाही आहे. Three x square minus 5 upon 2x cube minus 4. So y is equals to 3x square minus 5 upon 2x cube minus 4. So dy by dx is 2x cube minus 4 ddx of 2x square है का नहीं क्यूब है, 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 5 है आणि 2x क्यूब माइनस 4 है. We are talking about this sum, right? माझ्याकडे तर मला 3x स्क्वेअर मायनस 5 दिसतोय. खाली स्क्वेअर आहे आणि वरती प्लस आहे का? मग आपण दोन्ही सम्स करू. जर टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये बदल आहे तर. सो दिस विल बी 3x स्क्वेअर मायनस 5 मायनस 3x स्क्वेअर मायनस 5 ddx of 2x cube minus 4 whole thing upon 2x cube minus 4. This is 2x cube minus 4. This will become 6x minus 3x square minus 5. This will again become 6x square. Whole thing upon 2x cube minus 4 bracket square. 6x 2x cube minus 4 minus x 3x square minus 5. कारण हा x च कॉमन निघाला तर इथला x राहिला. Whole thing upon 2x cube minus 4 bracket square. So that is 6x 2x cube minus 4 minus 3x cube plus 5x. Whole thing upon 2x cube minus 4 bracket square. Now your dy by dx will be 6x into 2x cube minus 3x cube is minus x cube plus 5x minus 4. Whole thing upon 2x cube minus 4 bracket square. This is your answer. Now this is as per the sum given in my textbook. In your textbook, what is your sum? Minus. Now you will solve this. Okay. एकदम सिंपल. आपण डिनॉमिनेटरला कॉन्स्टंट घेतो, न्यूमरेटरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मायनस न्यूमरेटर इज कॉन्स्टंट, डिनॉमिनेटरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह अपॉन डिनॉमिनेटर स्क्वेअर. You will just take derivatives and simplify. तुम्ही जर ठरलं की नाही करायचं सिम्प्लिफाय, एवढंच ठेवायचं तरी चालेल. हे इथे इथे मी टिक केलंय ना, इथपर्यंत ठेवलं तरी चालेल. हो, कारण आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह नव्याने शिकतोय, त्याच्यामुळे तुम्ही डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढता आला पाहिजे तुम्हाला. दॅट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट. Question number 3, log x upon x cube minus 5. It will be more better if you write down the quotient rule on the side, so that आप जितनी बार लिखोगे उतना लर्न हो जाता है वो. So y is equals to log x upon x cube minus 5. So derivative dy by dx will be x cube minus 5 ddx of log x minus log x ddx of x cube minus 5 whole thing upon x cube minus 5 bracket square. This is x cube minus 5 upon x minus log x into 3x square whole thing upon x cube minus 5 bracket square. You can keep it as it is, or you can equalize the denominator in numerator. It will be x cube minus 5 minus x log x 3x square upon x cube minus 5 bracket square. हे denominator equalize करून x denominator ला multiply केला. This can become x cube minus 5 minus 3x cube log x अपॉन x क्यूब माइनस 5 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. इससे ज्यादा तो ये सिंप्लीफाई नहीं होगा. 3 raised to x minus 2 upon 3 raised to x plus 2. Y is equals to e raised to x का डेरिवेटिव e raised to x ही आता है. dy by dx is 3 raised to x plus 2 into d dx of 3 raised to x minus 2 minus 3 raised to x minus 2 into d dx of 3 raised to x plus 2 whole thing upon 3 raised to x plus 2 bracket square. This is 3 raised to x plus 2. This is 3 raised to x minus 3 raised to x minus 2. This is 3 raised to x. Whole thing upon 3 raised to x plus 2 bracket square. We will take 3 raised to x common. This is 3 raised to x plus 2 minus 3 raised to x plus 2. Minus sign multiplied inside. आणि 3 raised to x common घेतले आपण. 3 raised to x plus 2 bracket square. This and this will get cancelled. The answer is 4. 4 into 3, 12. E raised to x upon 3 raised to x plus 2 bracket square. Done. X e raised to x upon x plus e raised to x. Question number 5y is x e raised to x upon x plus e raised to x. So dy by dx is x plus e raised to x d dx of x e raised to x minus x e raised to x d dx of x plus e raised to x. X plus e raised to x bracket square. X plus e raised to x ये जो है इसे क्वोशंट ये प्रोडक्ट की तरह सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. तो e raised to x d dx of x plus x d dx of e raised to x minus x e raised to x 1 plus e raised to x whole thing upon x plus e raised to x bracket square is x plus e raised to x plus x e raised to x minus x e raised to x 1 plus e raised to x whole thing upon x plus e raised to x bracket square. We can write down this as e raised to x common from here. So it will become x plus e raised to x into 1 plus x minus x e raised to x into 1 plus e raised to x whole thing upon x plus e raised to x bracket square. You can again take e raised to x common आणि आपण याला मल्टिप्लाय पण करू शकतो आतमध्ये. तो इट इज x plus x square plus e raised to x plus x e raised to x minus x e raised to x हा e raised to x तो कॉमन आहे minus x e raised to x हा e raised to x कॉमन घ्यायला तर इकडे फक्त x च होतं. हा x आतमध्ये मल्टिप्लाय झाला x आणि x e raised to x plus x minus x cancel plus e raised to x minus e raised to x cancel. You will get x square plus e raised to x whole thing upon x plus e raised to x bracket square. So your final answer is e raised to x square plus e raised to x whole thing upon x plus e raised to x bracket square. This is your final answer. Getting this? थोड़ा बड़ा है क्योंकि ये प्रोडक्ट है और ये पूरा क्वोशंट है. Are we getting this? 9.2 question number 1 आपण पहिले करू and then we'll go with the economic functions. Question number 1, differentiate the following. This is all product quotient rule. Actually you can solve this, but still I'm solving. Now I'm not going to solve all of them. I will solve only few of them. Like with 7, 8, then 6 I will solve. और ये 1 to 4 में कोई भी दो मैं सॉल्व करूंगी. तो आप लोग बताओ कौन सा सॉल्व करे, वही करेंगे आप. तो क्वेश्चन रूल हम लोगों ने अभी अभी किया है, आपको आता है. सेकंड वाला घेते मी, फर्स्ट वाला नाही. फर्स्ट जरा सोपं वाटतंय मला, ते तुम्ही होमवर्कला करा. 9.2 क्वेश्चन 1 चा सेकंड. y is equals to x square plus 1 upon x. So dy by dx is x d dx of x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 d dx of x whole thing upon x square. So it is x square plus 1 चा derivative है 2x minus x square plus 1 d dx of x चा derivative है 1 whole thing upon x square. This will be 2x square minus x square minus 1 upon x square. This is x square minus 1 upon x square. This is your answer. Actually, this is also easy. Now the next one. Third I will do. Third is different. 1 upon e raised to x plus 1. Y is 1 upon e raised to x plus 1. It is as good as quotient. So you will say dy by dx e raised to x plus 1 into d dx of 1 minus 1 d dx of e raised to x plus 1 whole thing upon e raised to x plus 1 bracket square. ये 1 का डेरिवेटिव तो 0 होता है, तो दिस इज ऑल 0 माइनस डी dx of e raised to x का है e raised to x, d dx of 1 is again 0, so this will only remain e raised to x upon e raised to x plus 1 whole bracket square. This is your answer. This is 0, d dx of e raised to x is e raised to x, d dx of 1 is 0, so e raised to x plus 0 will remain e raised to x. This is your answer. Question 6. 2 raised to x. अभी ये 1, 4 और 5 आप लोग करोगे, सेम है हम लोगों ने अभी किया वैसे ही है. Question 6 is 2 raised to x upon log x. Y is 2 raised to x upon log x. dy by dx is log x d dx of 2 raised to x minus 2 raised to x d dx of log x whole thing upon log x bracket square. It is log x 2 raised to x का derivative 2 raised to x log 2 है minus 2 raised to x log x का derivative 1 by x है whole thing upon log x bracket square. I can take 2 raised to x common. I will get log x into log 2 minus 1 by x whole thing upon log 2 bracket square. You can keep it as it is. No need to solve this further. Seven sum 2 e raised to x minus 1 upon 2 e raised to x plus 1. Question number 7, y is 2 e raised to x minus 1 upon 2 e raised to x plus 1. dy by dx is 2 e raised to x plus 1 d dx of 2 e raised to x minus 1 minus 2 e raised to x minus 1 into d dx of 2 e raised to x plus 1 whole thing upon 2 e raised to x plus 1. This is 2 e raised to x plus 1 This is 2 e raised to x. Minus 1 सा derivative 0. Minus 2 e raised to x minus 1. This is 2 e raised to x. Plus 1 सा derivative 0. 2 e raised to x plus 1 whole bracket square. I will take 2 e raised to x. 2 e raised to x plus 1 minus 2 e raised to x plus 1. Whole thing 2 e raised to x plus 1 bracket square. This and this will get cancelled. It's 2 e raised to x into 2 upon 2 e raised to x plus 1 bracket square. This will become 4. This is your answer. Simple. Question number 8 is y is equals to x plus 1 x minus 1 upon e raised to x plus 1. X plus 1 x minus 1 upon e raised to x minus 1. Can I write it as y is equals to x square minus 1 upon e raised to x minus 1? So this is nothing but dy by dx e raised to x minus 1. What is derivative of x square minus 1 to x? Minus x square minus 1. What is derivative of e raised to x minus 1? E raised to x. Whole thing upon e raised to x minus 1 bracket square. So it is 2 e raised to x, x minus 2x minus e raised to x, x square plus e raised to x. काहीच cancel होत नाहीये. So no issues. Just keep it as it is. E raised to x minus 1 upon x square. E raised to x minus 1 bracket square, sorry. Application of derivatives in economics. We know that there are two factors of market, that is demand and supply. And both demand and supply are basically functions of price. Demand and supply are perhaps one of the most fundamental concept of economics, and it is backbone of market. That day I told you that demand, I told you the other day that demand and supply both are market indicators, and the point where they intersect, that becomes the market price. Equilibrium पण म्हणतात त्याला. Supply represents how much market can offer. The quantity supplied refers to the amount of a certain good producer are willing to supply when receiving a certain price. Demand is quantity of goods or commodities that are demanded. Both demand and supply are basically function of price. So if D is demand and S is supply and P is price, then demand is a function of price. Also, supply is a function of price. Cost, revenue, and profit, etc. are most commonly used terminologies in business and economics. Now we'll first start with the functions. As demand D is a function of price P, we can write D is a function of P. Marginal demand. Marginal demand is the rate of change of demand with respect to price. Marginal demand. That is when the price has changed by 1 unit, what is the change in demand? Marginal demand is given as first order derivative of the demand function with respect to price. Then supply. Supply is also function of price. Marginal supply is the change in the supply when there is one change in the price. So it is first order derivative of supply function. Okay, marginal demand, marginal supply. Marginal चा अर्थ हा पण असतो change in demand due to the last change in the price. Marginal supply म्हणजे change in the supply with due to the last change in the price. Okay, this is the concept of marginal demand and marginal supply. We also give marginal demand as f dash of p and marginal supply as g dash of p. First on एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचा त्याचा डिमांड आणि सप्लाय फंक्शनचा. Now cost function. Next important. Total cost function. There are two types of cost in economics. One is called as variable cost and another is called as fixed cost. The cost which do not change with any number of production is called as fixed. तुम्ही किती प्रोड्यूस करा तेवढी कॉस्ट कधीच बदलणार नाही. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इकडे किती स्टुडंट्स येऊ दे, if I am paying rent for this place, then the rent is going to be same. It will not change according to the number of students. Okay, but the say suppose I'm giving notes. So the notes, the cyclos किंवा printed notes जर देणार असेल, the printed note ची cost मात्र variable असेल depending upon the number of students. Okay, so cost C is a function, it's a mathematical formula used to express the production expenses of number of goods produced. It can be expressed as C is f of x, where x is number of goods produced. So total cost function is given by C. C is equals to f of x and x is number of goods produced. Cost function is given to you. It is comprising both fixed and variable. Okay. Now marginal cost. Marginal cost is the cost function with an extra unit of produce. Marginal cost MC is given as derivative of cost function, that is f dash of x. Then is average cost. Average cost is, if we know the total cost divided by the total number of production, will give you average cost. So average cost AC is given as total cost upon X. This is called as average cost. Now next, revenue and profit. Revenue function. A revenue function is denoted by R of X. It is total units sold into price. Price into total units sold. Here X is number of units sold and P is price per unit. This is your revenue function. Profit function. Profit is revenue minus cost. So obviously what is the loss function? Cost minus revenue. पण आपण लॉस मुद्दाम जाऊन काढत नाही. रेव्हेन्यू फंक्शनला P of X म्हणतात किंवा त्याला P of D पण म्हणतात, where D is demand. टोटल डिमांड, जेवढी डिमांड आहे तेवढे गुड्स जर मी सेल केले at a given price, then whatever I will earn, that is revenue. Are we getting this? Sure. Okay, this is very important. Please write down.